Hi guys! Okay, welcome back to another vlog in 2024, which is kind of crazy. If you're new here, subscribe, like this video. If you love artsy things, small business things, polymer clay, and just like how to be awesome. I was gonna give actual advice there, but you know what? I'm gonna teach you how to be awesome. Life hack, use a bamboo hairbrush. It's actually really good for your hair because it traps the oils in the brush and then distributes it through the rest of your hair. Hi, okay, last time I tried to film something, the camera battery literally died, so I'm back, sorry. What I was trying to show was this commission that I was working on. I'm almost done it. I just am waiting for the UV resin to come in the mail because I need to do one more last coat on it so that they look good. The fact that it's like -17 out in Canada here. It's just so lovely and nice, and I just love this weather so much. It's like my favorite time of the year. I'm not seasonally depressed at all, you know. I just absolutely thrive right now. My windows are absolutely frozen to the core, and I haven't seen sunlight in months. Actually want to cry because I have a north facing apartment, so that basically means that I get no sunlight at all for like several months out of the year. I'm taking my vitamin D pills, don't worry, don't worry. I think I started filming a little bit of the Nickelodeon sponsorship that I was doing, but I don't know if I showed the end product of what they looked like, but this is what they look like. Do you notice anything missing? Like, just give it a guess. Leave it in the comments down below. Like, do you notice anything missing, or do you really like them? What do you notice? Just think about how I sent it to Nickelodeon. They approved it, and they didn't notice anything. Ready? Did you leave your guess in the comments? I forgot to paint their teeth on. How does one forget that? I don't know, but it's fine. You know, maybe it's just them when they're older, and yeah, it's totally fine. Also, I did my nails, but one side's purple, one side's pink. Totally off topic, sorry. But I think it's so funny because how do you forget, like, to paint their teeth on? But nobody noticed. Like, there was a few people that were like, wait, he looks different. And I'm like, yeah, he has no teeth. My whole office is like moved around. It's kind of a mess right now, obviously, because when is it not a mess? Kiwi got a cat tree. Oh my god, I have so many things to show you guys. Kiwi got a cat tree. Yep, my office is like set up kind of like in two different sections now. So I have like my little like camera or computer section, which is like over here. I actually put this painting up. I painted that in high school actually, and I needed to get another piece of glass that I can sculpt on because mine broke. So I went and got a frame, and I made sure it was like a frame that was the same size as this painting so that I could spray paint it, which I think I actually vlogged that. So new year, new same old me. So I painted this in high school, and I really wanted to like put it on my wall because it was like in my abstract era, and it's just super pink, and I love pink, and it's cute, and I feel like I don't really display a lot of my old art at all because I don't. Kiwi's currently on the picture frame. It's Meow. Show them how big you are now. So big. Anyways, I got this frame for $12.99. And I'm going to take the glass out to use it for my sculpting, and then I'm going to put this in it. But as you can see, the frame doesn't really suit the painting, so I'm going to spray paint it pink because why not, you know? I have so many random things holding down the paper towels. But it looks so good already. I'm so excited. But yeah, I think it turned out like absolutely amazing. I love this painting so much. I was in my abstract era in high school at this time. Other pieces that I did from my abstract era. This is from my like fine art, like fine line era, if that makes any sense. This is like my abstract era. This is my fine line watercolory era. It's like a little fairy going through a thing. I did these over the Christmas break. This one's not done yet. I have to finish that, but this one's done. I'm trying to get back into my painting. I really miss it, and it's like super like therapeutic for me. I think that when the summer comes back, rewinding to what we were talking about earlier, I'm so excited for the sun and the warmth to come back. I miss it a lot. I'm gonna set up my oil paint stuff outside, I think, like make a little painting area, because right now my balcony is a mess. I have dead plants, which, you know, just the usual, but I'm thinking of getting rid of this table maybe and buying like some sort of egg chair, or just making some sort of like paint setup. Here's Kiwi, Miss Sleeper, on her tree because she's obsessed with her cat tree now, isn't she? Hi, you haven't seen the camera in forever, and it's really dusty. Oh my goodness. This company sent me their cookie cutters. Not cookie cutters, clay cutters, duh. The one I didn't really like because it got stuck. Like, what is that about? It's not about. What's that about? Hello? I think I might have just pressed a little too hard. I don't know. Weird. But I loved the small butterfly one, which is it this one? Yeah, this one. Look at how cute. Look at how stinking cute. Hello? I'm actually obsessed. Like a little hunky earring, like a little hoop, like on a hoop. Don't do that to me. That's so cute. Stop. Every time I go to get her to show her that there's a bird on the balcony, it flies away. She loves the birds. Loves the birds. She knows what the word bird means. She's looking at me right now. Can we go back to bed? Sorry. Vlog. We're gonna do a Valentine's Day launch today, and I'm excited to show you what I have. So these almost look like Shirley Temples. That was not the plan, but I'm not mad about it. They're really cute. Also, look at my little shelf thing that I put up. I got this little shelf thing at the dollar store, and look how cute it is. Mint leaves, a cherry, and like a little heart. This one doesn't really look like a heart. Hold on. That one doesn't really either. I think it's the lighting. Sorry. There's like little hearts on sticks. And yeah, so that's what that looks like. And it has a little like sugar on the brim, like an actual cocktail. Chocolates in a box, of course. I need better lighting here. Ugh. Chocolates in a box, which these are super fun. And then there's the lid, obviously, which is the other earring. So it's just a little bow for cookies. And then I made eggs in toast, but it's like heart-shaped. And then I made little cake pops, but they're like all pink and like, I don't know, they look really cool. They look like super real. It looks like there's sugar on the outside. Yeah. And then these little mouse cookies or brownie mice little treats with the tiniest little sweethearts ever. These tiny little candy bags, which if it wants to focus, look how cute. So yeah, I'm gonna be launching all of those today, and then yeah, I'm so excited. I love Valentine's Day stuff. It's it's just like the best stuff to make because it's all pink and pretty and just hearts and my favorite. Like I want to make more stuff, but I'm running out of time and I need to get the orders out that come in out like ASAP. So unfortunately I think this is going to be the only new items other than like all the old items, which if you go in my shop you can see all of the old items. I make like cute little roses that are wrapped and like there's a bunch of other like heart lollipops and stuff that I've made in the past like couple years of having my business. So yeah. Okay, but look how cute. Are you for real? Are you for real? Screaming, crying, freaking out. Okay, that's gonna be so cute. So stinking cute, guys. But you can definitely wear this stuff like year round. Like I would always wear my heart lollipops year round.